Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You guys are welcome back to another makeup video. It has been a while. Really missed you guys. So let's dive into it. First, I'm starting with my eyebrow. Guys, let me tell you something. If you're not subscribed to this channel, you're sleeping on yourself. And a big shout out to all of my new subscribers. You guys are amazing. Okay? You guys are so amazing. So now I'm just drawing my brow as usual. Let me use the word as usual because I'm not brightening the brows before adding anything or even sleeping it with gel. I'm just doing a regular look because I got new products and I'm just trying to try them out and see which one is best for me, and so I need to apply them on myself before applying it on clients. So it was just me testing out new product, and guys, don't joke, it was wow. Like when I say it was wow, just believe me, it was wow. I feel like those girls I used to see on Instagram, like, how did they do this makeup? It's so calm because my other product I was using was too bright. When I'm adding my color, it's not giving my color. So this one I used this time was all I ever wanted. Okay, so I was just defining my brow. I went in with a brighter concealer at the under eye area, at the brow bone. I forgot the name of that. And I went in the inner corner and the outer corner of my brow with the one that matched me better. It's because I don't want everywhere to be too bright. You know, your guys going for nude. This is it. I was just blending it out with a floppy brush. So I did the same for the other side and probably finish it off camera. So guys, I went in with the top of my brow and I was doing the same. I was trying to line it to the consistency I want because I don't like my eyebrow too small. Like I don't feel it like that. I'm that type of person. So now what I was doing, I test all the foundation and I have some foundation back of my, and I don't want to wipe them up. So I put a lot of I put a lighter foundation in those my lighter area, and the rest darker one I matched to my skin, to the rest part of my face. Just take a look at this part. I'm applying this dark foundation and my neck. Is there any difference? That was the back of my palm. I was saying that I missed those color in. Just take a look at this and my neck. There's no difference. Like I was like, wow. And the good part was that I did not set my face. You know why? The foundation just stick to my face, but I did my normal skin prep before makeup, so I don't want to wipe them up because I'm not going out and do everything again all over. I did not just do that. So I applied all my foundation. I flipped my brush because it was too dark and I don't want it to darken the. This is foundation. It's a lighter foundation in those lighter area of my face, so that I will just come later and add a little bit of highlighter to it. I will not be packing too many highlighter because at the end of the day it will be too bright and probably will not just fit in. So I just need to use a lighter foundation this area, on this particular area, a shade lighter than my original skin, to just take a look at this. So nobody will leave their face like this thinking they've highlighted it. No, except for those people who is going for strictly no. This is it. Just little quantity. Then I apply the under of my eye. I'm applying this like this. Then I'll bring it together because I want to have that lifting effect of my beautiful face. So with the way I'm lifting it, you see that that part of my face is being a little bit lifted, because makeup is not just to make up and look beautiful, it's also define your face. You can restructure your face. If you have a round face, you want to get a V face, you can do that with makeup. Take a look at my face. Just take a look at this. See the way the outer corner of my eyes is looking lifted. That is makeup for you. You can use makeup to redefine your face shape. Just take a look at the way this makeup. I'm using this product. I'm using ZK. Shout out to ZK. Please, if you want to get the original. Yeah, there's a big difference when you get original brand. This was my blush. Boom. This blush is also from ZK. It gave me all I ever asked for. Gosh, the way it stick to the foundation was like husband and wife. Just take a look at that. So that was not the end of this video. Oh, just sit around, bring your popcorn, see me testing powder. Just take a look at my face. You know that this person is happy. It make this makeup so easy for me. So I did not even add powder because it has already dry. So what is the need to add powder again to my face to make it? I was showing you Ezekiel. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Okay, I was applying the setting powder like that. Yeah, the setting powder, I was supposed to pour it on the pan to apply because of this little hole that is showing on the setting powder is showing from here. So here I was thinking of how to take it, what to do, what not to do, and I forget I was recording myself. So I look like, am I recording myself? I pause it and I start all over again. Okay, I just cover that area like this, and trust me guys, I'm showing it Ezekiel. Check them out on Instagram. They have good customer service. They reply as soon as possible, and if you buy more if you buy a lot of things, they give you discount. They are very nice. I will recommend this brand for you. This was so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. Yeah, I was just setting the powder like this. There was nothing much. I was just taking extra setting powder off my face. Then I went with another shade because I think that wasn't bright enough. I was adding little quantity. Then I also went in with powder to the rest part of my face. This one was applied on those area I did highlight down. You take a look at this, my hand, like after my shoulder and my face, they look the same. So I was not using ZK now. I had my ZK palette, powder palette, but I did not use it. I was using the Avor. The Advor, I forgot their name. Was it the Advance or the Avor? They're also on Instagram. They do makeup. They're also a makeup Nigeria based makeup brand as well. Please go and check my people out. They have good qualities of makeup, and I can't wait to start using this makeup to make up my clients because these are all new. I got my package yesterday from Nigeria, and I'm telling you with all of my heart, no cap, this product is all I ever needed. Because even when I use MAC, sometimes it does not give me this full coverage. Just take a look. I was using the Avor powder palette here, the 10-in-1 powder palette, or the 11-in-1 powder palette. It was giving me all I wanted. Just take a look at that. Even if you apply much, once you blend it, the ones that will stay will stay. The one that doesn't want to stay will leave. Those sharp makeup are shit. Those, bye bye to those days of too much makeup. Bye bye to these days of too much makeup when your foundation and powder is ashy. There's nothing like good product. When you have good products, it makes your work so easy. Just take a look at the way I'm looking at myself. It will show you that this person is happy with what she's doing. So I took a brighter shade of the powder to define the middle of my crease. It was my crease area. I don't know. My eyebrow bone. I will call it eyebrow bone for you, please. This English, sometimes English is not my first language, so it can be crazy. So I went in with this orange blush. I was just trying this orange blush out. But when I tried this orange blush, I was in love. Like, I felt in love like I've never loved before. It paid me a little I get. I just got 2 palettes. It paid me too much. This makeup came out wow. Please, if you find this makeup interesting, beautiful, or that entertaining, or even teaching you something, please share. If you have not subscribed, wanna subscribe now. Wanna help this girl now. Speed up finish from my mouth. Wanna help me. I'm sorry. Sometimes I can be something else. So I also get this eyeshadow base from ZK. I don't buy eyeshadow base, guys. I've bought an eyeshadow base and I don't like them. Some will be so sticky. They don't dry on time. Some I need to throw. I need to go and throw away those my former eye base. I forget I still have some. I need to go and throw them away. I wasn't just doing much. I was just trying to go nude. So I apply it and I just set it out with my powder. It was not oily. It was not moving. It was just there. Oh shit! If you want to make your makeup easy, like you want to learn how to do makeup and you want a easy makeup, no too much drama, just go with a good product. Good product will save you stress. Good product will teach you more than those rubbish. Good product there's nothing like good product. Let me just leave it like that. So I went in with the inner corner of my brow eyeshadow area with inner corner of my crease with a brown eyeshadow, because your girl want to keep it sleek. I want to keep it laid, like I want it to be very fine. So I also redefine the inner corner, the attack no the, this is the inner corner of my eyebrow. Sometimes these guys and this English understand this. I was using a very nude uh shade here. I don't remember the name because I did this record in the morning and this is evening, and I'm sorry. But if you open your makeup, your eyeshadow palette, you definitely see something that suits you like this. It does not need to be the same color, but not pink. I will not call it pink. I will call it peach, but a little bit peach is more like a powder. It's more like the color of a powder, and that was very nice. So I went in again with brown to redefine those area. I just want to use brown to define those area, guys. If you find this my pidgin English and correct English interesting, leave me a comment. Give me your honest opinion, guys. The most interesting thing about this makeup was that I had a little bit of shimmery to this area to just enhance it. I'm that person that does not really like nude, but the best makeup for me is nude. It's make my face so relaxed. Those bright makeup I used to do, most times I have to take them off before going to pick my keys from school. But today I went to this makeup to pick my both keys from school. I just really removed my eyelash because everybody was staring, but I wasn't ashamed because the makeup wasn't too much. But if the makeup is too much, these white people, they can look at you like they've not seen you before, or they look at you eyeball to eyeball, and sometimes for me, I don't really find it interesting. So guys, I went with mascara to clean my natural eyelash. That is the work of mascara on top of the eye. Then it was time for eyeliner. I was just being careful because even as a makeup artist, my eye can blink. And this part I was using a black gel. Yeah, no cap. I was using a black gel. I prefer using a black gel than a mascara because if I use a black gel to line my eye, it does not move. But anytime I use that mascara, the sun does not get dry on time. Sun just get dry even before finishing it. It just get dry, and it will not make the work easy. But with this black gel, it's easy peasy. There's a big difference when you align your makeup. Just take a look at this eye and the other one. There's really big difference, and the kind of eyeliner I did was a different eyeliner. We do this eyeliner mostly for bride. From the inner corner of her eye, just take a look at that. At the same time, a lot of people does not allow us to do this, so now I was just going in with brown under the eyes. I just want the eye to look pop, at the under eye to pop. I went in with brown, then I later add black to it. Yeah, after adding black to it, I felt it was a little bit too dark for that kind of nude look, so I used brown again to correct it, and that was it. Just take a look at those both. And I didn't even do mascara. This was my eyebrow gel. It's very nice. Take a look at this eyebrow and the other one. It's redefined hair out of that eyebrows. In case you feel like your eyebrow did not come to the front enough, you want it to be very close, you just do that work for you. Just do that work for you. Before, mine, I used to use cream contour, and cream contour will make my nose somehow. But today was no, this today was that day the Lord has made when it comes to me and my makeup and how I want my look to come out. Because there's a way I want my makeup to come outside. There's a way I want my makeup to come outside. So I went in with the lip. I wanted to do those my lip liner, overlining, make having that love shape at the front. I changed my mind. I just changed my mind. Why I spread my lip like this whenever I'm or try to bite my mouth like this, give me a night, because my lips is skewed. I'm one of those beautiful ladies that have skewed lips, so I just have to stretch it out so that my pencil does not go other way. The same thing I say to my clients to do if I want to do makeup, then it's easier for me. And you know my lips is not that big, so I overline the under of my lip and top of my lip so I can have this lip. I had pitch to it and it was a mistake. I did that on out of camera. It was a mistake. I wanted to have the pitch to it on camera, but I forgot my phone was paused, and that is my failure, as Dutch would say. That is my failure. So this was the look. I've been feeling myself. Oh shit, the eyelash is nice. It's as if there's no eyelash there, but there's an eyelash. The eyelash is not too big, not too weird. So I take this setting powder again. Another setting powder I saw there. Setting powder no be your mate to just touch on that my eye. Just light quantity. Just take it with a brush and dust off. Just see the difference now. Blending was not an issue here because everything just entered, and I did not even set this makeup. That was the best part. Like, I did not set it. I did not even set it. Normally I have to set my face and set my face, and this makeup I did not set it. And I took it for 5 hours because I have to go pick my keys and get some groceries, but the makeup did not move. I swear the makeup did not move. I did not set it. There was no setting spray, there was no fixing spray, but because of this products, these products are so nice. So guys, I will advise you to get good products, and when you get a product, just check the expiring date. When they are expired, throw them away so you don't get any skin infection. If you are still watching, guys, you guys are my darling. Okay, you guys are indeed my darling. It's so nice to have you guys around. This is almost the end of this video. I'm happy to have you guys. Okay, this was the end look, and this is so nice. This makeup is unlike me. If you know, you know, this makeup is unlike me. See you on my next video, and these are the remaining pictures of it. I was just trying to take pictures to see how it looked. It came out, wow, it came out fabulous. It came out fabulous. So guys, see you on my next video. Whenever you come across my video, please show me some love, leave me an honest opinion, and
when the Bible says all things work together for the good, it says all things, not good things. People think it's just, oh, the happy things. No. All means the good, the bad, the ugly, everything. No matter what happens in your life, if you're following God accordingly, then you can be guaranteed